Hey, here's me trying to record an intro with a broken microphone. What I'm basically doing is showing you how I replace the door inserts on the Silver Bullet from this puffy, ruffled look with some microsuede that I purchased from Joanns Fabrics. First step was to remove the door panel. Let's speed it up a bit. Door panel's off, now let's get it on the table. The door insert is held in place by a series of Phillips head screws. Once removed, you should be able to pop the door insert right out. Now just start peeling off that old fabric. Then toss it in the garbage, because you won't be needing that anymore. Remove any of the excess adhesive residue. This is the microsuede that I picked up from Joanns Fabrics. Basically just measure the piece that you need and cut it to shape. What I've got here is some spray adhesive that I'm going to use to affix the microsuede onto the door insert. Now you're not going to need too much of this stuff. If you use too much, it'll bleed through the fabric and it'll get really ugly. Now slowly place the fabric on top of the door insert and just work it in. Be patient, take your time, one section at a time. And this is basically what the reupholstered insert looks like. Reattach the insert with the Phillips screws. Now all that remains is to put the door panel back onto the car. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to give an updated look to the Silver Bullet.